Wrap everything up by replanning your events. It's a good tip. I'm sure we all want to boost our event projects all the time. We want to get better results in terms of event outcome and impact easier and cheaper to gain in productivity and effectiveness. Same with me. A great tool for this is actually the event plans we have already made up. Let me explain. My event projects include 6 main phases: master planning, event planning, preparation, implementation, live event or delivery, and then wrap up. Event plans should be used in all phases of event project, also in our wrap up phase, especially if we are going to organize similar events also in the future. I always look back to my event plans storyboard by storyboard, stage by stage and step by step, and compare our realized implementation and data and feedback received to our plans. In fact, instead of looking back, I replan. I make changes to things that didn't work as we expected and adjust other details to improve. To be honest, this is much better way for improving than using this time for written event reports. When it's time to start a new similar event project, I take a close look again to this revised event plan. Of course, we might make some fundamental changes in our master plans, but most likely this is just fine-tuning the basics of our event. In any case, there will be a new time for event planning. And this time we are able to overspeed this phase because we are not creating any new plans from scratch. Instead, we duplicate our previous plan and start working with it, proceeding just like the first time. But with one significant difference. Our plans are already there, just waiting for some adjusting.